So let me show y'all how much I don't play about this Fenty Skin. Like, look how many items I got. And so apparently, I had one kit. I know I had another one. So I had another one of these. So 2 full-size kits that went with that. I have the night cream, which is called the Instant Reset Over Now Recovery Cream Gel. And let me open it. It's getting old, but you know, face creams, well, night creams, if you don't use them quick, they get old. Of course, for the Spin on My Big, the minis, Total Cleanser. This is my second one. And I have a third one. I have a third one as well. I have another one upstairs. The eye cream, which is the Flash Nap Instant Revival Eye Cream. Eye gel cream. And it came with the roly thing that put it on. The mini fat water. The moisturizers. And I know I had 3 of these. And it's one upstairs. So I just wanted to let y'all know, like, I don't play. Like, I even had to cut this one open. Because I'm like, I'm finna get some more. And look, when you cut it open, it still be a whole bunch enough. Even though I already bought some more. But I don't play. I don't play about Fenty Skin. Because, like, the shit really work. Like, it really works. Hey y'all, welcome back to Jala TV. Today I am going to show you all my Fenty haul. And it might not look like a lot of products, but these products, they cost a pretty penny. So let's go ahead and get into it. First and foremost, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, like, support the girl. Like, that's all I ask. I ain't ask for nothing but child support. So go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what y'all thinking about my channel, suggestions, what y'all want to see. Just let's get the ball rolling. Support your girl. Subscribe to Jala TV. Roll the clip. Let's get to it. Items. I got this pack, the skincare, a free gift, the makeup, some lip products like lipsticks and stuff, and a secret box. Okay, what's in the box? What is in the box? So I guess we can break it down like this. Let's go skincare first, okay? And I love the skincare. Like, this is my shit. So much to the point, I'm gonna show y'all how many Fenty Skin products I have. Like, it's outrageous at this point. And only been using Fenty Beauty since February of 2021. And I bought so many products because I love the skincare line. Like, Rihanna snapped. Her and the scientists in the lab, they definitely snapped. I got the Fenty Starter Kit. And it just comes with the Total Cleanser, Fat Water, and a Hydro Visor moisturizer. And I like to put these in my Spin and Eye bag, or if I'm going out of town and you know, it's small and compact, it gives you the whole kit. So I like to bring this with me, Spin and Eye bag, out of town bag, like this. These the three the hard way. Okay, the big sizes, of course, same thing. Let me go through the steps. So it depends on my skincare routine. Sometimes I use the fat water first, which is a pore refining toner serum. So it's like witch hazel, but it has a serum in it. Sometimes I use this first to clean my face, or I'll use the Total Cleanser first. So either or could go first, and then of course you come through with the moisturizer. It got sunscreen in it. You know, apparently we supposed to be using it. So it come like this. The sunscreen insole, you put it in a twist, pump, and a little go a long way. So these the 3 the hard way, the big ones though. So I think separately, I got the kit and it was on sale. So I think the kit, all 3 is like $75. I got it for like 50 something because they were having a sale. But yep, I think by itself, I think there's 28. 20s, I don't know, it's something like that. But yeah, 3 the hard way: cleanse, moisturize, you know, clean them pores. And that's what it is. And let's gold makeup. So it's Fenty Skin, Fenty Beauty, Fenty Savage. So she got skin, makeup, her lingerie line, and her fragrance. And I feel like I'm missing something, but all the Fenty. So what I just showed y'all was the Fenty Skin. This is Fenty Beauty, you know, the makeup and stuff like that. I finally decided to try the Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation Pro Filter. So it's like the makeup so good, look like you got a filter on, but nah, baby, this your real skin. And Jazz put me on to the matte foundations, and like my whole world has changed. Like I used the Maybelline one, but that Maybelline will hit. So I'm excited to see how the Fenty Soft Matte hit. I got the color 390, and I just took the quiz online and they said 390. I was skeptical because when I go get my makeup done professionally, it's too dark. Right now, since the summer just hit, my skin darker than my Maybelline foundation. So it really be a hit and miss with the foundations. Because it's like they try to put a one size fit all color for black people. Like, it's hard to pick a foundation. It's like my skin isn't super dark, it isn't super light. I'm just me, I'm brown. So it be kind of hard to find foundations that fit me. But like I said, this is 390. Come like this. Come like this. It just says shake well. I love this container. Like, look at that. Love it. Feel like glass or something. But yeah. Pump, you know. Let's see how it's looking. I'm scared, y'all, because like I said, foundations are never my right color. This kind of, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Of course, my face is darker than my hands, but I ain't gonna hold y'all. This look like my Maybelline color. So hopefully when I put it on my face, I might be still too dark right now because of the summer, but hopefully when I blend it in, it look right. And this was, I think, originally maybe 36, and I think I got it for 28. Yeah, I think I got it for 28. So I'm excited to try the makeup. Of course, I got a concealer. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and I got the color 340 because it's for under my eyes and, you know, those points that the light reflect on. So of course I got it way lighter than what I am, because you know, you want your face certain points to shine bright like a diamond. Okay, and same bottle like the foundation. If this too light, it could always go to my mama. The color I really wanted, not bad. I don't know why I smelled. The color I really wanted was sold out, but this how we looking. Foundation, concealer. Foundation, concealer. But you know when your girl put it on, it look right. Cause the makeup colors be definitely a hit or miss. And you will look like a ghost, and you will look like a damn fool. What else I got? This was the free gift. Since I spent over $75, this was the free gift. It's called the Pro Kisser Lip Care Set. And it comes with the lip loving scrub stick, you know, get the dead skin off the lips, and then a mini luxurious lip balm. Yeah, they be like, Jay, why your lips so soft? Cause genetics, hereditary. But yeah, it's really gonna be soft when I get to exfoliating. Okay, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yeah. The lip scrub and the lip balm. And the lip balm got hints of pink in it. I don't know how I feel like that. I don't know how I feel about no pink in my lip balm. But yeah, so this was the free gift I got. I also got the Lip Balm Universal Lip Illuminizer in the color Fussy. I got the Pro Kisser Luminous Lip Balm. So this lip balm, but in the big one. And Stunner Lip Paint. And it's in the color Uncuffed. And these three came together. Like I bought a set. It came with the 3 lip, you dig? So, you know, lip balm, lip gloss, and lipstick. 3 the hard way, okay? 3 the hard way. Last but not least, my secret box. It came like this. It says perfect on the box, and that's what I am. To me, I'm perfect. And Fenty Beauty, By Rihanna. Tell her to sponsor the girl. I'm ready to be one of Riri girls. I'm ready to be one of her Fenty X models. I'm ready to promote the skincare. She can send me boxes, all that, because I'm ready. I'm ready, okay? It comes in a black packaging. And it's hella shit up in here, y'all. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, okay? 5 items. So I really went crazy with the haul. Like, she was having a sale, and y'all know I love the sale. I shouldn't have been buying this, but your girl been feeling real impulsive lately. Like, everything I want, I'm gonna buy it. That's just how I'm feeling. I don't know if it's the Mercury and retrograde. I don't know if it's the, I don't know what it is. I'm impulsive anyway, but I just feel like I should have everything I want. So I'm gonna get it for me. I don't care who mad. I don't care who don't like it. So it's some beauty in her. It's some beauty in her. I got I already have one, but the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. This is in the color Cherry. And I forgot what color I got. Oh, I don't have this color. This is in the color Cherry. I have a different one. I don't got Cherry. Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. And your girl, it's called, this the color cause I'm black and cause I am. And is, okay? I don't wear mascara because I don't have no eyelashes anyway, so I don't even bother. I just put the minks on, okay? I just put the minks on. So full size too. Yeah, all of these products are full size in this kit. And I think this kit is $75. $75, and I feel like it's worth it. You get a full mascara, a full lip gloss. What else you get? A fly liner, which is the long wear liquid eyeliner. And I'm not very good with eyeliner. I'll fuck some shit up with the eyeliner. Oh. But, you know, Fenty Beauty. Can I open? Felt tip. So that's cute. I'm gonna learn how to do some wings. I'm terrible at it, but I'm going to learn. I have a Fenty Beauty Baby What It Do travel size makeup refresher spray. So I guess this is like a setting spray. It preps skin, refreshes makeup, instant hydration, fix on the fly. So yeah, like a setting spray. Cute. Is it like rose water or is it like a setting spray? Who knows? And last but not least, this is the full size. That's why I said the price of this box don't make no sense, because like you get all these full size items for $75. I feel like that's crazy. So this is the Body Lava Body Illuminator. No, I cannot read. It's the Body Lava Body Luminizer in the color Who Needs Clothes? Who needs clothes? Like, and I feel that because I do not like wearing clothes. And don't. If I could walk around naked, I would. Ooh. And this is a fat bottle. I'm finna be glistening. Like, every time you see me, I'm shining, okay? Ooh. Oh, wow, baby. Ooh, and it smell like candy. Oh, yeah. I'm not finna know how to act. I'm not about to know how to act. Let me get into these colors. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but glittery. I'm about to be shining, okay? And who don't want to look like they shining? Especially on a brown body. Like, I'm a goddess, baby. I'm a fairy. Y'all will see it in my pictures, like when I post, because I'm going to be shining. These are all the products. I think it's probably in total like over 20 items. No, I cannot count. Maybe like 15, because this is 5. Like 15 items. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. She was having a sale. I had to support my girl because I love the products. I love the skincare. I haven't tried the makeup yet, but I love the skincare. So, you know, I had to cop. They was having a sale. 25% off, so I had to. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Tell Riri sponsor me. Tell her to send me the box so I can show it out. Be one of her girls, because I'm ready. If she need me in a fashion show next year, I'm ready. Let her know. I ain't manifesting that. I'm finna be on Riri payroll, okay? Mark my words. I'm about to be on Riri payroll. She finna see this. The team finna see this. And they finna be like, Jala, come on. Because you that girl. Come on. Come on, I see the influence, I see the reach, I see the potential, I see the talent. So come on, JJ. Come on, JJ, you one of my girls now. In a fashion show, all that, let's go. But yeah, this has been another one from Jala TV, y'all. And it's only gonna get better. Like, it really worked. No makeup. This me. This me. And it's not because of Rihanna skin stuff. Like, I have naturally clear skin, so I don't want y'all to think this gonna clear your face. But I can say, when my face about to break out, I use some of that fat water and the bump be gone. If it's a hormonal bump because of my period coming, it don't clear it. But a regular bump, like on a regular day, it's gonna, what bump? What bump? Because it's not there no more. But yes, I can vouch for her Fenty Skin. Like, Riri did not play with the Fenty Skin. So we're going to see about the makeup. But Riri did not play about the skin. And I've asked 3 the hard way. The night cream, I don't really use it enough to say if it worked. And I don't really use the eye cream enough to say if it worked. But sugar girl, sign it off. Tell Riri, hey girl, let me know. I'm ready. I'm going to pull up. If you want me to be in a show, be a model, wear the Fenty Savage X, I could wear that. I could do that for you. You want me to promote the skincare? Yes, I'm here. With the makeup, I got it. Let's go.